Is it going?
Yes.
Morning, guys. Today we're going to do a Eureka math lesson. We're doing it from my house, and my husband's filming it, and he's a little nervous because he thinks he's not going to do it right, but he's going to do fine. If you'll notice, I have my favorite pajamas on because it is your favorite pajama day. And so polka dots are my favorite, and they're cheerful. We're going to start our Eureka math lesson with our name at the top of the paper, the date, hold it as still as you can, okay? And it says March 24th, 2020, or you can write 3-24-20. We're going to start by reading the directions. Look at the picture below. How much longer is guitar A than guitar B? Now we're going to do some things that is a little more trickier. We're not just measuring anymore. Now we're going to determine the difference. And when we determine the difference, that usually means subtraction. So I'm going to count first how long B is. And it's 1, 2, 3 units long. Oops. 3 units long. Guitar A is 1, 2, 3, 4 units long. And the question is, guitar A is how many units longer than guitar B? So what would I have to do? What would my sentence look like in order to find the answer? I would start with the large number. 4 take away 3 equals, and here are my centimeter cubes. And if I have 4 and I take 3 away, how many are left? Great, 1 is left. And my answer is guitar A is 1 unit longer than guitar B. We're going to do the same thing on number 2. We're going to measure each object with centimeter cubes. So first, my blue pin. I think I need one more to make sure the whole thing is there. Now we're going to count how many cubes I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8. The blue pin is 8 centimeters cubes. I had to write off the line, that's okay. The yellow pin is how many centimeter cubes. So I'm going to do the same thing again and measure my pin to start with. I need some more though, so we know that the yellow one is going to be longer than the blue one. Also, I colored my pins just because, not because you have to. Okay, first thing, let's measure and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 centimeter cubes. The yellow pin is 10 centimeter cubes. And I went off the line again, but that's okay. Okay, there shouldn't be any question for that. That's pretty easy and straightforward. I'm going to turn my paper over, and the next question is going to ask about these two pin colors. So let's remember that the blue pin is 8 and the yellow pin is 10. Question number 3. I just flipped the paper like a pancake. How much longer is the yellow pin than the blue pin? So now we need a number sentence. The yellow pin was 10 centimeters and the blue pin was 8 centimeters. So our number sentence should look like this. 10 take away 8 equals. We can even use our cubes to do it again. I should have 10 cubes here. Oops, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cubes for my yellow pin. I'm going to take away the 8 cubes for my blue pin. And how many are left? 1, 2. So that means that the yellow pin is 2 centimeters longer than the blue pin. The next question is the reverse. How much shorter is the blue pin than the yellow pin? Now, that's almost a silly question. So let's do it again. We're going to write 10 take away 8 equals, and we already did it, and we know what the answer is. So the blue pin is 2 centimeters shorter than the yellow pin. Pretty easy, huh? Let's keep going because there's 4 more questions on this paper. Use your centimeter cubes to model each problem. I have my cubes with me. Then solve by drawing a picture of your model and writing a number sentence and a statement. Austin wants to make a train that is 13 centimeter cubes long. Let's start by doing that. I know I have 10 from my last problem. And I'm going to add 11 and count on 12, 13. So that's Austin's train. If the train is already 9 centimeters long, how many more cubes does he need? Oh, Mrs. Silva should have read the whole problem first. That's the best way to do it, and I didn't. So now I have 13, so I'm going to only count 9 right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to take those away. Uh-oh, here's my cat who thinks he's going to help with math. He doesn't really know about math. So I'm going to start with my 9, and I'm going to write the number 9, okay? But Austin wants to make his train 13 centimeters long. So I'm going to make the 13, which is the big number, first. And I'm going to have all my 13 cubes there. I know that 9 is right there. And I need how many more? Let's count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Austin needs 4 more. I'll write it down. Austin needs 4 more cubes. Okay? This time I'm going to read the whole question before we go on. Kia's boat is 12 centimeters long, and Megan's boat is 8 centimeters long. How much shorter is Megan's boat than Kia's? So let's start. Can you hear my dog Jack barking in the background too? Sorry, it's distracting to anybody. So I'm going to write my number sentence. 12. They want to know the difference. How much is shorter? Take away 8 equals. So here are my 12 cubes. Make sure I have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to take away 8 of those. 1, 2, 3. We're going to try it again without the cat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I take my 8 away, and we're going to find out how much shorter Megan's is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Megan's boat is 4 cubes shorter. And that's that page. We're going to go on to page 49. We're going to read the whole question because I'm not getting tricked again by Eureka Math. Kim cuts a piece of ribbon for her mom that is 14 centimeters long. I'm going to just circle that so I remember that number. Her mom says the ribbon is 8 centimeters too long. So how long should the ribbon be? What should our number sentence look like? The equation needs to look a certain way. What number do we start with? I'll let you think about it. If you think it's 14, you're right. So 14, and it's still a subtraction problem. 14 take away what? Right, 8. 14 take away 8. So let me get my centimeter cubes out again. Some of you I know already know the answer without it. If we were in class, you would be saying, I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now, it says she cut the ribbon the wrong size, and so we're going to take the 8 away, and I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll take all of those away. Let's count how long the ribbon should have been. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. And the ribbon should be 6 centimeters long. I'm sorry about the distraction, and I also probably should have turned off the TV. I forgot it was on even. I'm so used to the noise. I hope it's not bothering you guys. We have one more. My dog just wants treats. He's just a punk. The tail of Lee's dog is 15 centimeters long. If the tail of Kit's dog is 9 centimeters long, how much longer is the tail of Lee's dog than the tail of Kit's dog? Let's go back and circle those numbers so we know what we're working with. And how should our number sentence start? What should the equation look like? Right, I need to start with the number 15. And what number am I taking away from 15? Good. Take away 9 equals. So I have my 15 cubes, and I have one dog. I'm just drawing a picture. You don't have to. That is Lee's dog. And one that is Kit's dog. So that we remember whose dog is longer. I have my 15 cubes. And we got to find the difference, so we know that is a subtraction problem. And I'm going to take 9 of these away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And they go away. And how much longer is Lee's dog than Kit's dog? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. And I will say Lee's dog tail. Lee's dog's tail is 6 centimeters longer than Kit's. Oh my goodness, this pencil's not writing good, but I wanted you to be able to see it better. I'll try a different pencil next time. So it's a lot of measurement and a little bit of subtraction, but you guys are good at subtraction. You're going to go on and do the homework. It's the same thing again, and I think there's not as many. Oh, there's still lots of problems. If you have questions, email me or text me. You have my email and my phone number, so I will be available. And a little bit later, I'm going to do a writing and some a science demonstration. So this one will be uploaded first for today. Thanks, guys. Have a good morning.